What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be learning a song by Lenny Kravitz called Fly Away. Okay, let's go and start with the outline first. We're going to start with what frets we're using, okay? So we're going to start on fret 5. Notice I have a distortion on. It's a very light distortion, nothing too heavy. You don't have to play with the distortion. You can always play this song clean, meaning no effects at all. And also you can play this on acoustic as well. So no excuses, people. Let's go. So 5th fret. Then it's going to jump to your 7th fret, and this is both on your 6th string. Then it's going to jump to your 8th fret, 6th string as well. 3rd fret, 6th string. You should have your guitar out following along. Then the last one, which is going to be on your 5th fret and your 5th string, 6th string, 5th string. Okay, so let's go ahead and now add a rhythm to it, okay? So for the first note, which is your 5th fret, 6th string, it's going to go down, down, up, down, up. Once again, down, down, up, down, up. Pause the video if you need to and try it out yourself. Then it's going to go to 7th fret, 5, 6, 7, and it's going to go down here. Let's put all that together real quick. Okay, pause the video, try it a couple times, rewind, watch it again. Now, once you hit 7 once here down, you're going to pluck it again down on 7, then you're going to slide up to 8, like this. Let me put all that together. It's going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, down again on 7, down, slide to 8. Now when you slide, well, what you're going to do is you're going to push down on 7, you're going to hold it down and once again slide up to 8. You're going to drag that finger to the 8th fret. Let's put all that together. Now once you slide into 8, you're going to go down, up, down on 8, okay? So here's the whole thing so far. One more time, let me see the numbers out, or the strumming pattern out loud. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, slide to 8, down, up, down. Now we're going to go to that 3rd fret on the 6th string and go down, down, up, down. Let's add that all together now. Now we're going to go to that 5th fret, 5th string, and it's going to be down, down, up, down. Once again, down, down, up, down. Notice that the 3rd fret and the 5th fret are the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, and down, down, up, down. And that's the whole riff, okay? So watch it a couple times, and here we go. We're going to put it all together. Watch it once again on the timeline. It's going to be right here, putting it all together. And this part will be with one finger. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, slide, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. One more time. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make this a little harder. We're going to add it with power chords. What a power chord is you're going to be playing with 2 fingers now instead of just 1. Okay, so the way this works is your root finger, the way we learned it first with 1 finger, is going to be the root note, and it's going to tell you where to put your 3rd finger, or if you want, you can use your 4th finger, depending on the person. Some people play with the 3rd, some people play it with the 4th. I prefer the 3rd. The way this works with the power chord is you're going to go up where your root finger is. If we start on fret 5, 6th string, you're going to go up 1 fret, 2 fret from there, up 1 string to your 5th string, and you're going to put your ring finger there, and you're going to pluck them both at the same time. Notice I didn't single pluck, but you can try it just to get the idea. But they pluck together. Everything else, you mute. You do not play when you play this, okay? You just play the 6th and the 5th string. Okay? So now, Oh, and once again, you can use your pinky instead of the ring. Whichever one. Now the idea is this power chord is going to be moving as a shape, okay? So if you go to 7, it still goes up 1, 2 frets, up 1 string to your 5th string right there. So it's on 7 and 9 now. 7 fingers, 1 is on 7, 7th fret, finger 3 is on 9th fret. Okay, and they're on separate strings. 6th string, 5th string. Okay, so it's also just, odd with odd. 5 and 7, 7 and 9. Notice the odd and odd frets, or if I'm even and even, then it's going to be 6 and 8, or let's say 4 and 6. It's always odd and odd and even together, even and even together, no matter what for this pattern. Okay, so same idea. It's going to start with the 5th fret, same strumming pattern, but now you're going to still do an up strum. Don't strum any other strings coming up, just 6 and 5. If you hit the 4th by accident, it's okay. Just try to have it muted with this first finger over here so you don't get any sound. The way you mute excuse me, is you don't push down, you just touch it like a rag, but you don't put force on the fret. Okay, so it's going to go like this. Down, down, up, move to 7, down, 7 again. Slide both fingers up to 8. Down, up, down. Let's try that again. So down, down, up, down, down, slide down, up, down. Fret 3, down, down, up, down. Remember, 3 and 5 now. Then now the tricky one, you're going to set up the first finger on string 5, fret 5. This one, once again, will go up 1 fret, 2 frets, 1 string up, which is now on your 4th string ring finger. And now you're going to have to mute that 6th string, or make sure you don't touch it when you play. Otherwise you get this when you're playing these notes. And it kind of overpowers what you're trying to do. So you got to lightly touch it with that first finger if you can. It's more of an advanced technique, I know. Notice I'm hitting 6th string. Or, once again, just don't touch it, okay? Just make sure you hit only the 5th and 4th string. That's the same strumming pattern as before. Down, down, up, down. So, let's put all that together, okay? I'm going to keep it slow. You could rewind, watch this part over again, of course. Down, down, up, down, slide, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Now the last thing you can add in there on any pause you have is you can add a palm mute, or like a mute over here with the left hand. You just lightly touch the strings like a damp rag, or like a rag, and you just make this kind of noise with it. Remember, look at this hand. If you're pushing or pressing down on the strings, you're going to get a noise, and you don't want that. You want to just touch the strings without putting pressure onto the frets, and you get this noise. So watch me. It's going to go like this now. Once again, one thing you could do for practice of just that dampening sound is you could just take 5, play it down up, and then mute it down up. And just kind of speed it up a little. Don't try to go, too fast. Keep it at a moderate pace. And that can help you get better with that. So let's put the whole thing together a couple times and go from there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next guitar lesson video.